Is your local security authority LSA option missing in Windows 11 or 10? Learn how to fix it. You just have to write registry in the box and hit enter. As soon as you get into the registry editor window, go to this LSA key computer OH key, local machine software M, policies on Microsoft and Windows Defender. Try to find the RunAsPPL value. Double tap that value so that you can place a value on it. Fix the value to 1 in the correct place. Click OK to save this change. You can directly open the group policy. To do that, hold the Win plus R keys at once. Place this term there. Tap OK to open it. gpdit.msc, expand the left pane to reach the LSA security policy, computer configuration, administrative templates, system, local security authority, open the. Configure LSAS to run as a protected process policy so that you can change it. At first, switch the policy to enabled mode. Then, set the configure LSA to run as a protected process to enabled with UEFI lock mode. You can only apply this policy by clicking on Apply and OK. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows button once. Then write PowerShell there. Upon seeing that, right-click that and tap Run as Administrator. Directly place this code in that opened PowerShell terminal. Then hit Enter to execute that. Get AppX package vertical bar. For each.addAppX package, disable development mode. Register $, install location, AppX manifest.xml. Start to input PowerShell after using the Win plus S at once. You can right-click the Windows PowerShell when you see that. Next, tap Run as Administrator. Copy-paste this command into the administrative PowerShell. Hit Enter to update the Windows Security app. Get app package Microsoft.SecHealthUI. Open Settings. Get to the Windows Update. To inquire about the latest updates, tap Check for Updates on the opposite side. Windows will start downloading the latest Windows security updates and install them as well. Restart the system to complete the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.